Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can print any slide. Say for example, I have opened my PowerPoint and I have 13 slides in this. So we have altogether 13 slides are there, and if I want to print it, how I can print it is very simple. Click on the file and here you will be having print option, and another alternate option is the control print, and the same option you will be getting. So once click on the print option, you will be getting the print and how many number of copies you wanted to print. Then it will ask that what are the printer available. It will be so any of the printer, whichever the printer you want, you can select that one. Say for example, if I want to select the Microsoft, and the status of these printers, right, ready all will be available. If I click on the XPS document, it will be getting printed there. If I click on the print to the PDF, so it will, the file will get printed and save into the PDF format. The next one is the print all the slide. If I click on this drop down, what are the things we are getting? Print selection. If I have selected some slides, I can print on that. Print all the slide. Print current slide. So print current slide wherever I'm as of now. If I'm working on the 10th slide, if I click on the 10th slide, if I click on the print the 10 print and select that current slide, only 10th slide will get printed. As of now, if I click on the all slide, it will print all the slides. Then full page slides. So as of now, it is like full page slide is selected. Note pages, if some notes are there, so that will be get printed. If I click on outline, only test, what are the test available on all the slides, it will be get printed. As of now, I click on the full page slide and the entire thing will be get printed. Now next we have one slide hangouts, two slides per page, two slides per page, one slide, one page. If I click on again two, see what happens, the two slide getting printed. Similar way we have 3, 4, 5, 6. If I click on 6, the 6 the slides are getting printed on the same page. Then let me move to the slide 1, or I will change onto the this one. Then we have collated. So if I am printing like 13 slides, how we want 1, 2, 3, one time it will get printed and then another set will be get printed, right, when we are printing the multiple copies. So as of now, I am clicking on the 1, 2, 3 or uncollated 1. If I have copied, like I have put 3 copies, right? So as of now, first here uncollated, first all one slide, first slide will be 3 times will get printed, then second slide will print on the 3 times, and third slide will get printed on the 3 times. But if I click on the collated, first it will print 1, 2, 3 all these slides, 1 to 13 all the slide 1, and then again 1 to the 13 slide, again it will get printed. The last one is color. So if I want to pure black and white, I can click on the pure black and white. If I want to click on the grayscale, then it will be printed as the grayscale. If I want to color, I can click on the color. So based on our choice we can do. Another option one is there, edit header and footer. If I click on that, it will ask like what are the things. If I click on the insert the date and time, serious slide number I want to add, I can click on the footer, and anything we want to put, we can put. Dakshi tutorials. If I click on apply to all or only one slide, I will click on apply all, and if you observe now, when I'll print, no, the date will be get updated here. So if you see, the date is updated here, and in the footer the Dakshi tutorial is written here. So now if I click on the let me change to the 1 copy, or else it will get printed to the 3 copies. And okay, let's print 3 times. Okay, 3 copies, and then I'm printing on the PDF, Microsoft print to PDF, and click on the print. Let's see what happens. It is asked like where you want to, like it is getting printed to the PDF, right? So it will ask. So I'll save here. I'll say I put a name at example print already there. Okay, I'll put as example print 2. Okay, I'll click save. It is getting printed here. If you see, page 3, page 4 is getting printed. as of now 20th page is getting printed. So 13 into 3, so it got 39, 36, 37, 38 and finally 39. So now if I go to my desktop, I can see that there's one file will be my example print is here. If I click on that, I should be having 39 pages, and first page is introduction to the Microsoft PowerPoint, and I will jump to the page number 13, and where we will be having PowerPoint print. This is the chapter which we are. If I go to the 14th page, right, so again I am getting introduction to the PowerPoint. If I go to the 27th page, again I will be having introduction to PowerPoint. If I go back one slide here, if you see, print to PowerPoint last topic, and then again it started on this. So this is the collated one to the 13 one set, and then again it got printed. If I would have selected as control print and select as uncollated one, the first 3 time, right, 3 pages will get printed as 1, and then like first slide 3 time, then second time 3 slide, third slide again 3 time, fourth slide again 3 time, like that it will get printed, all those things. So hope you understand how we can print the collate and uncollated one. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.